The audio gear world is about to witness a massive disruption. And if you're a creator, filmmaker, or audio enthusiast, you need to stop everything you're doing right now. For months, rumors have been swirling in the tech underground about a top-secret project codenamed Mini M3, a device engineered to completely reinvent what we expect from portable audio. Now, major supply chain leaks and insider testing reports have surfaced, confirming that the DJI Mic Mini M3 is not just real, but it is scheduled to drop later this year with features that seem almost impossible for its footprint. DJI has quietly dominated the wireless microphone market for years, pushing traditional audio giants into a corner. But what they are preparing to unleash with the M3 transcends anything we have seen before. Insiders who have caught glimpses of the pre-production prototypes claim that this pocket-sized audio powerhouse is designed to entirely eliminate the need for bulky receivers, complex post-processing software, and expensive studio setups. This is a comprehensive overhaul of the ultra-compact audio ecosystem, built from the ground up to deliver studio-grade sound in an impossibly small, lightweight chassis that completely disappears on camera. The implications of this launch are sending shockwaves through the industry because it directly targets the core vulnerabilities of its competitors, offering unprecedented range, massive onboard storage, and an entirely new way of handling environmental noise isolation. If you have ever struggled with ruined audio due to unexpected wind, sudden digital clipping, or complex multi-device sync issues, the architecture of this upcoming system promises to solve every single one of those pain points out of the box. We are looking at a paradigm shift where professional, pristine sound is no longer gated by massive budgets or technical expertise, making it a highly anticipated release for creators globally. The core philosophy behind the DJI Mic Mini M3 centers around absolute invisibility without a single compromise on acoustic fidelity. Industry leaks point toward a transmitter body that is nearly 40% smaller and lighter than the previous generation, shrinking down to the size of a standard coin while maintaining a premium, robust structural build. This radical downsizing means creators can effortlessly conceal the microphone during high-intensity shoots, action sports, or formal interviews without weighted clothing or awkward clipping. But do not let the microscopic footprint fool you, because the internal engineering is rumored to pack a revolutionary custom-designed condenser capsule. This new capsule utilizes an ultra-thin, highly responsive diaphragm capable of capturing a massive frequency response range that rivals heavy studio microphones. It means your voice retains its natural warmth, deep low-end resonance, and crisp high-end clarity without sounding compressed or artificial. Tech analysts monitoring the component supply chains in Asia have noted massive orders for specialized acoustic meshes and shielding, indicating that DJI is employing a breakthrough physical wind protection design directly integrated into the microphone shell. This structural innovation ensures that even before the digital processing kicks in, mechanical wind noise and clothing rustle are passively filtered out at the hardware level. For anyone who has spent hours in editing suites, desperately trying to clean up distorted, muddy vocals, this hardware-level optimization is an absolute game-changer that ensures a flawless raw recording from the exact moment you press record. Beyond the physical aesthetics, the most mind-blowing upgrades are happening beneath the surface within the custom neural processing unit embedded inside the transmitter itself. The DJI Mic Mini M3 is set to introduce an advanced, real-time AI-powered acoustic environment analyzer that continuously scans your surroundings hundreds of times per second. This system does not just blindly cut frequencies like traditional noise cancellation. Instead, it intelligently maps out background chaos, identifying traffic rumble, air conditioning hums, or distant crowd chatter, and carves them out while preserving the pristine harmonics of the human voice. Imagine recording a professional voiceover or an on-the-scene report in the middle of chaotic Times Square or during a heavy rainstorm, and having the output sound as though you were standing in. Ideation pro federkustig bus. This level of real-time isolation is achieved through proprietary machine learning algorithms trained on millions of diverse audio profiles, ensuring that the processing never introduces that metallic, robotic phase artifacting that plagues cheaper microphone systems. Furthermore, the leak reports emphasize the inclusion of a revolutionary true 32-bit float internal recording safety net directly on the transmitter. This means the digital audio file captures an astronomical dynamic range, making it mathematically impossible to clip or distort the audio, no matter how loud or sudden the sound spikes. Whether your subject transitions from a soft, intimate whisper to an explosive, sudden shout, you will never have to worry about adjusting gain levels on the fly or discovering ruined, distorted audio in post-production because the full data spectrum is preserved flawlessly. Let us talk about connectivity and ecosystem integration, because this is where DJI is truly pulling ahead of every other audio manufacturer on the planet. The Mini M3 is rumored to feature a high-bandwidth, multi-protocol wireless transmission system that simultaneously utilizes optimized 2.4 GHz frequencies alongside an entirely new ultra-wideband, ultra-low latency channel. This dual-band approach guarantees an unbreakable line-of-sight transmission distance reaching up to an astonishing 900 feet, while providing unmatched signal stability in dense urban environments heavily congested with overlapping Wi-Fi networks and cellular signals. But the real magic lies in its cross-device versatility. The M3 is designed to pair directly via high-fidelity Bluetooth to smartphones, action cameras, and pocket gimbals without requiring any external receiver plugins. For mobile journalists and short-form creators, this slashes setup times down to mere seconds. You simply uncase the mic, and it immediately routes pristine audio straight into your recording application. For advanced filmmakers utilizing professional mirrorless or cinema cameras, the redesigned ultra-slim receiver docks seamlessly onto the hot shoe, feeding an uncompressed digital or analog signal with auto-sensing gain control that automatically matches the internal preamps of your specific camera model. This eliminates the tedious, error-prone process of manually balancing camera levels, ensuring a perfectly optimized signal-to-noise ratio every single time you hit the record button. Battery life and power management have historically been a major anxiety point for production crews on long shoot days. But the leak sheets suggest DJI has engineered a highly efficient silicon architecture to put those worries to rest. Despite the extreme reduction in physical size, the internal high-density battery cells within the M3 transmitter are projected to deliver an incredible 8 hours of continuous, uncompromised recording on a single charge. When paired with the redesigned, sleek protective charging case, the total system runtime stretches to an unbelievable 36 hours of field operation. This charging case is not just a passive power bank. It features a smart, rapid charging protocol that can juice up a completely drained microphone to 80% battery life in less than 15 minutes, giving you hours of extra recording time during a quick lunch break. The case also acts as a centralized data hub and firmware management station. The moment you place the transmitters back into their slots, the case can automatically initiate a high-speed wireless backup of all internally recorded audio files to an integrated solid-state storage drive hidden inside the case itself. This means you instantly have a redundant backup of your entire day's work without even connecting to a laptop or clearing out micro SD cards, providing an invaluable insurance policy for high-stakes commercial shoots where data loss is simply not an option. As we look closer at the competitive landscape, it becomes crystal clear why the tech world is reacting so strongly to these leaks. The current market is saturated with options that force creators to choose between micro-size convenience or professional-grade feature sets. By merging an invisible form factor with 32-bit float internal storage, intelligent AI noise cancellation, and universal cross-platform compatibility, DJI is effectively rendering old audio gear obsolete. The strategic timing of this 2026 release suggests that DJI wants to firmly secure its ecosystem as the absolute standard for the next generation of content creation media production, and broadcast journalism. Pre-production testers have hinted that the user interface on the receiver has been stripped of all unnecessary complexities, relying instead on a brilliant, vibrant touch-sensitive display that provides instant, haptic-backed adjustments and intuitive visual metering that remains perfectly visible even under direct, harsh sunlight. Every single design choice, from the placement of the tactile mute switch to the ultra-secure magnetic mounting system, points toward a device designed by creative professionals who understand the unpredictable, fast-paced nature of modern field production. The anticipation is reaching a boiling point, and as the official launch window approaches, one thing is certain. The DJI Mic Mini M3 is poised to set an entirely new benchmark for portable audio, transforming the way the world listens to creators everywhere.